Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Here I bring for you today a new video, new information for you, very interesting, and I hope everybody will love it. And many questions from my friends already coming that you have to make some videos on birthstones, which stone we have to wear according to the birth. So that's why I'm making this video, and I would like to say that please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please share and like also. Thanks a lot. Here today I will explain you about the birthstone of every month that the first month like January, it is very beautiful and very nice stone. You can find out everywhere in the world, like Africa, like Russia, like Pakistan, like India, Sri Lanka, Burma, and many other countries also having this very nice stone. The colors are different in this garnet stone, like green, like red, like orange, like yellow. There are many colors, but very expensive color is green color that has its own nature, own beautiness, and own prices. And here I would like to tell you that about the garnet stone who born in January, that he can wear this stone. It can give you many kinds of benefits if you wear this stone. Up to 5 carat is very favorable and favorite side of everybody. You can wear while in gold and silver also, but it is mostly recommended in silver for men. It is also known as left hand gemstone. It gives you the purity inside you. You feel truthness, you are faithful, and you are friendly man. So you always keep awareness, you are committed to do anything. So these are the all abilities that can be happen if you wear a garnet stone. It also can remove all the negativity inside you, because many people also suffering with the negativity. Negative thinking cannot do for you anything, not to do anything. You will be stuck off. So that's why if you wear a gemstone like garnet, all the negativity will be removed from your mind and your body, and you will be fresh and you will be always positive. With positive, your most of your problems can be solved only producing the positivity inside you. And on the other side, that healing properties of the gemstone like garnet of January birthstone that produce you properly, and it is also reputed that the effective of effective to the related blood circulation, blood problems, heart diseases, many kind of diseases, heart disease also can, but it also improves the function of the heart. It enhances the sensibility and the sexuality of human. It can improve your spirituality status. After wearing that, you will be feeling amazing your personality. Your active body will play a more reasonable and more important role in your life. So if somebody want to wear the garnet stone of January birthstone, that can be wear without any problem. It gives you all these abilities and all these benefits which I told you in this video. And please keep watching my all the videos. I have already explained every kind of gemstone, the hardness, the identification, and the reality and the authenticity of the stone also. And you can get benefited if you watching my all these videos, all these volumes, and you will be amazing that every kind of information you can find in my channel. Thanks a lot of.